Welcome to the best 5-minute wine podcast with Forrest Kelly.
Today we're talking about something simple yet surprisingly tricky. How to pour a proper glass of wine. And who better to help us than our resident wine expert, Sour Grapes.
Forrest, always a pleasure to educate the masses. But please, let's be clear. I'm not a snob, I'm a purist.
Fair enough. So let's get to it. What's the first rule of pouring wine?
First rule, don't pour like a barbarian. That means no grabbing the bottle like it's a squeezed ketchup bottle at a diner. Hold it by the base or the punt with the label facing out so your guests know you have good taste.
All right, I'm with you. So what's next?
Angle, Forrest. You must tilt the bottle at a smooth 45-degree angle. If you go full 90, you'll be sloshing wine into the glass like it's a soda fountain at a gas station.
Oh, okay. Now, is there a correct amount to pour? I'm, of course, asking for a friend who fills her glass to the brim.
Oh, your friend must be very thirsty. But no, a proper pour is about 5 ounces, roughly 2 fingers width from the rim. Anything more, and you're drinking, not tasting.
Got it. Now, I've heard about the famous bottle twist at the end of a pour. Is that a myth or a must-do?
Absolute must. The twist helped prevent those tragic last-drop dribbles that stain tablecloths and souls alike. It's the wine pourer's equivalent of a mic drop, only far classier.
And finally, let me ask about aeration. Do we let it breathe or dive right in?
Patience, my dear Forrest. Swirl, sniff, then sip. Wine is like a great story. It needs a moment to unfold before you dive in.
Thanks, Sour Grapes, for making sure none of us embarrass ourselves at our next wine event.
Anytime. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a glass that's been waiting very patiently for me. This is Sour Grapes pouring grumpy wisdom one glass at a time.
Best 5-minute